Well, I had to do a video. I know you probably seen the title. Yes, if you were a Robinhood user, you had a chance to double, almost triple your money very easily in like less than a day. Well, maybe less than like a week or so. Let's just say a week or so. And this company behind it would have been the reason why I was almost sick to my stomach when I woke up and just happened to look at the company's price. Figma, they're a tech company. They help companies put together like websites and apps and stuff, like the application, the technology behind it. And I think they are strongly positioned to add their AI features in for to help companies build websites and apps. But that's not really what this video is going to be about. This video is going to be about went public July 31st, 2025. Now, Robinhood users had was this something they call IPO early access that would gives individuals the ability to what they call IPO access. What gives individuals, let me see if I can find which gives individuals the right to request shares or buy shares at the IPO price 25. At first, the price range was 25, 28, but then they pushed evaluations up, which made the share price 30 to 33. Now, normally, um, in order to get that price, you had to be like a big financial institution or big hedge fund to be able to lock those prices in. But Robinhood they have this IPO access that you can get shares at that price as well because they work with market makers and help issue the shares. And they had exclusive shares for individuals like us that we can have gotten that share. So, okay, we know that, right? So, and this is, you could have got it for 30, oops, slide over, $33 a share, right? So, and I just happened, let me probably make me a little smaller. And I just happened to check what the stock price for Figma was. And if we click on it, we can see that the current stock price was when they did this $122. So it went from $33 to $122 literally in a day, and it's up for now 269%, which is crazy in such a very short amount of time. Literally holding it like just buy it literally in what we're talking about 2 days or something like that. Like literally, it normally takes the S&P normally on average like seven. Uh, they say if you on the estimated time of 10 with a 10% return, it take you 7 years to double your money. This is 269% in like literally overnight. You could have bought it the 30th. Now you almost three times your money that quickly. But anyway, and as you can see here, initial offering price $33. So if you're a Robinhood, we kind of missed out. We kind of missed out on easy money here. The second day it went up 5%. The first day it went up 250%. It mentions that they are a design software. It's the latest tech company that hit the market. It opened up, I think, around Thursday at 2 o'clock at 85. Once people could actually buy it, um, opened at 85. Then shares closed at 115 for 250% gain, and then on Friday we pushed another 5% to go up to 120. It says Figma is the latest tech company that hits the public market after the IPO drought. Now, Robinhood does this, and as you can see, it is updated. It was 25 to 28, and then on Monday it was issued another update. It said its expected price between 30 to 32, and then so the evaluation basically went from, as far as, I'm not sure if you're familiar like with how shares work, but the evaluation went the evaluation like what the company is worth on the market, 20 billion to 60 billion, and we talking about like overnight. So apparently there's the huge demand. But looking at that, I just wanted to was like, Robinhood uses, we kind of missed one here. So now, if we look at the IPO thing, they had a few. They have like I think 26 that was all in this particular year. So I don't. I am this one is like really well, and the last four has been really well. But I don't want. I gotta show you both sides. So Circle, this one's up 440%. So Robinhood users, if you got the IPO access, $31, and then it's at $167 now. You've been up 441%. Arrow, Robinhood users, $10 a share. It's up 10 from $10 to $20. You've been up 100% there. CoreWeave, what's in March 28th. Stock price is at 40. It was up a lot more, but even at the current price, 104, you up 160%. So the last four you would have done really well. In Reddit, also, you would have done really well. $34. Reddit actually was up way higher than that. Reddit was up $34. The current is $188.48. Now, so they have been IPOs has been for the most part has been doing very well lately for the IPO. If you would have just kind of got the IPO access, now there are times this is not like a guarantee. Oh, just buy an IPO and it works every time. But there was times like, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row where it wouldn't have panned out too well. Even down 45%. Um, yeah, so it doesn't pan out that way all the time. Like there was like a streak where that didn't necessarily. This one would have been a nosebleed, 92%. Um, there were some where they didn't do like well. Like so, like example, like so I gotta show both sides, and maybe after seeing this, it makes me feel a little better. Um, and even this one makes me feel a little better. But nevertheless, I think that just going forward, I'll just purchase. I'm not gonna break the bank or anything, but I'll at least purchase a few shares on the IPO thing, and then if nothing really major happens, within like a day or two, I could just end up selling it off. Especially ones that have like high media attention, or the ones that are tech heavy, where people can get super excited over it. Um, yeah, I should have, but I didn't. And the thing about I was just looking at this. I was thinking. I was even talking to someone about the IPO. Um, Someone asked me about it, and I gave them some information. And I was just like, oh, I was just kind of, oh my goodness, But that's it. That concludes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel.